Hey everybody, so today we're doing this really cool matte and glossy mani and we're using peel base over clear. So I have my nails dipped in clear as a base. I did this last night and today we're going to get into the mani. So I'm using my Virgo and Gem base and activator for my white color. This is Lighthouse Cove by Sparkle & Co. It was one of those subscriber member colors last month. And this is a beautiful sparkly white. Like, this doesn't know justice how beautiful it is. This is Delicate White by Sparkle & Co. And this is just a frosty white. It's so beautiful. I have a couple of Model 1's gel top coats. We're going to be doing a matte top coat on the Delicate White and a glossy on the Lighthouse Cove. And I'm just using this Sally Hansen LED light. Here is my nail file, which I actually didn't end up having to use this time. It filed really easily just with a hand file. We're going to do some water decals. I ended up with the circle one and it looked so cute. And then just some tools, a fluffy brush, a stiff brush, a file, a cuticle tool, a special brush I use for my glitter. And then I also use special liquids for my glitter. I basically split up different liquids and everything for glitter colors just so I don't get them combined. So here is what my nails look like with a couple of dips of clear on them. We're going to start with peel base. I'm using the Peel Base. And we're going to go in with just one layer. The stuff is so good, it's almost too good. So if you've struggled with using peel base and your nails just pop off, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how I get mine to last. We're going to go ahead and speed it up here. You'll notice I'm doing just one layer. I'm not doing a particularly thin layer. I'm not doing a particularly thick layer, just a good solid one coat coverage. And this stuff will have your nails popping off quick. So after working with it a little while, I figured out a method of how to get your peel base to work, but also let your manis last a few days without having them pop off the same day. So we're going to let that dry, and I'm going to kind of speed through this tutorial here with y'all. If you want more of an in-depth tutorial on all the steps that I take, I do have those on my channel. This is going to be a little more fun. We're mixing different textures with the matte and the glossy. We're putting some water decals on. We're doing the peel base over the clear, so we're just going to jump right into it. I'm starting on my 3 nails with the Delicate White. I'm doing a dip almost to my cuticles, and I'm going to do 2 dips of white here and 1 dip of clear. I always encapsulate my colors and especially my glitters in clear. I almost never don't do this anymore, just so that it gives you a little buffer layer to file and you don't file through your color. So I'm doing my second dip of the Delicate White, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a dip of clear. I'll activate these nails and then we will get into the sparklies. So I'm using my Sparkle & Co. liquids for the sparkle colors, like I said, just so I don't contaminate sparkle into my flat colors. I do find the Sparkle & Co. is a lot thicker and slower drying. I do prefer the Virgo and Gem, but it's not bad. I did mess up here, so I wanted to include this mess up. It was so slow to dry that when I started touching it, I just took the glitter right off. So I'll show you how I fixed it. I just left it alone, did my first dip on the other nail, went back in after it dried for a second dip, and I did a second dip on both of my nails, and then I just let them sit there and dry. Now I'm putting a little bit of the clear into a separate jar because I don't want to contaminate it with glitter. And I'm doing a dip of clear over my glitter. This way, I didn't disturb any of the glitter. I got 2 layers on there. I encapsulated it with clear. I'm going to go in and activate all of my nails, and I always activate twice. That way it penetrates all the way through, and you don't have to risk having undried puffs of flakes of powder coming off. So now I'm just going to go ahead and shape my nails with a hand file. Once I have the shape I like on all my nails, I'm going to go in with a buffer block, and then I'm just going to buff them so everything is nice and smooth. I didn't really have anything looking crazy, so I didn't really have to go in with my e-file on these. They came out really nice, and it was pretty easy. So now we're going to get into the water decals. These were fun. You can see the other decal that has a bunch cut out. I tried on that, failed many times, and decided that just wasn't the decal for me. It was fate. So I'm just wetting a little bit on this decal, and then I'm going to take my stamping stamper and just pick the decal up off of the wet paper onto the nail stamp. I'm going to line it up where I want it on my nail and stamp it down. And that is the easiest way to use water decals. So if you're had any trouble with decals in the past, try that. I'm going to do my gel top coat now on the sparkle colors. I'm just doing a nice thick layer and zapping those. Those are good to go. Now I'm going in with matte. I did my thumb off camera, and I wanted to slow this one down so you really saw what I did here. The trick to getting your peel base to last you a few days is taking that gel top coat, going all the way into the cap of your nail, and doing a good layer. And I actually ended up doing 2 gel top coat layers on each nail, making sure I capped the end of each tip of each nail. And there we go. This is my finished product. It was super cute and I love them. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please support your girl by subscribing to this channel. Check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.